AJS Carpet Cleaning maintains its momentum as the leading provider of carpet, upholstery, and tile cleaning services across Utah, with its unwavering commitment to excellence and strong customer focus. Since 2000, the company has grown from providing janitorial work into specialized and comprehensive service offerings that leave furnishings and properties in their cleanest condition. It highlights multi-stage proprietary cleaning processes and cutting-edge truck-mounted cleaning systems built to thoroughly remove dirt and stains as quickly as possible. The process eliminates foul odor and all soil-attracting residue, keeping fabrics cleaner for much longer. Owners Victor Nugent and his wife Verna have a very hands-on approach to their business, opting to personally supervise operations and interact with clients to ensure every need is satisfied. This same conviction applies to the company employees. AJS Carpet Cleaning has a team of fully vetted, well-trained, and IICRC certified technicians dedicated to delivering outstanding services from beginning to end. By leveraging their years of industry experience, the team achieves consistent, reliable results for any carpet cleaning, upholstery, or tile maintenance project. The company also builds on Victor's 30 years of experience in quality control and industrial hygiene to bring science-backed cleaning solutions for germs, grime, dirt, and pungent odors. Every project is approached with keen attention to detail and sensitivity to time constraints. The team understands the different cleaning requirements for various surfaces and fabrics. They're well equipped to carry out the right operations that maintain carpet integrity and its original texture and shine. All these are done with promptness and diligence. Over the years, the company has built a significant number of satisfied customers. It receives glowing reviews online and through word-of-mouth referrals. AJS Carpet Cleaning has acquired multiple awards and certifications, including the 2020 Super Service Award from Angie's List and the Carpet and Rug Institute Seal of Approval. The company is also BBB accredited. Currently, AJS Carpet Cleaning operates 6 days a week, servicing both residential and commercial properties. Aside from carpet cleaning, other services include spot removal, pet urine treatment, odor control, and deodorization. All services are backed with a full money-back and satisfaction guarantee. If a client is unhappy with the service, the team will re-clean the property within 24 hours, all for free. Get a quote and book a service at 801-368-0705. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.